Hello everyone, welcome to Login Giant. In this video, we'll learn how to delete all your photos from Google Photos. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. First, open up the Google Photos application on your phone. Once the app opens up, press and hold on your first photo to select it, then drag your finger to the bottom of your screen. Now you'll begin selecting each individual photo as you swipe through your library. Well, obviously for large photo libraries, this will take some time as you swipe through your photos, but after a few minutes, you should have everything. Once you're done, select the delete option from the bottom menu bar. Tap OK and then select allow. Now with this, all your Google Photos will be moved to the trash bin. But if you want to delete those photos from the trash bin as well, then select the library option and tap on bin. Now select all the photos just like before and then tap the delete button. With this, all your Google Photos will be now deleted. So we hope you find this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to us for more helpful tutorials.